Imagine taking just $100 and transforming it into six figures within a year and a half. Sounds impossible? Most people would say yes, but those who know the right strategies understand that with discipline, knowledge, and a proven plan, it's within reach. As we approach 2025, the clock is ticking and the market waits for no one. If you're tired of seeing your trading account in the red and want to learn the secrets to flipping small investments into life-changing gains, this guide is your roadmap. Get ready to rewrite your trading journey from frustration to financial freedom. Understanding the basics, traders A and B. To set a clear foundation, it's important to define the two types of traders in this plan. Trader A and Trader B. Trader A is experienced and equipped with a well-established, profitable edge in the market. Research indicates that seasoned traders with a defined strategy are 60% more likely to sustain long-term profitability. On the other hand, Trader B represents the novice or struggling trader who lacks a consistent method for approaching the market. Analysis by Trading Insights revealed that traders without an edge often see losses as high as 85% of their trading capital within 6 months. This article will guide Trader B on how to develop essential skills, shift into Trader A's mindset, and adopt the tools needed for a winning strategy. Starting point and initial investment. For new traders aiming to transform their financial outcomes, starting with $200 is practical, with $100 dedicated to education and $100 allocated for initial trading. This initial step is crucial for gaining knowledge and confidence. Data from 2024's Beginner Trader Study by Global Markets Research shows that traders who invest in formal education before actively trading are 50% more likely to achieve positive results in their first year. To maximize the value of this initial investment, traders should focus on learning resources that include reputable trading courses, webinars, and mentorship programs. By the time January 2025 arrives, you will be prepared to apply this knowledge with discipline, positioning yourself for the next phase of growth. The learning phase, building a profitable edge. Education serves as the cornerstone of successful trading. Without it, attempting to trade is akin to navigating uncharted waters without a map. During the October 2024 to January 2025 period, traders should concentrate on gaining expertise in 4 critical areas: developing a profitable trading edge, mastering risk management, understanding trading psychology, and applying sound money management. The importance of a profitable edge cannot be overstated. According to a study by Marketage Analytics, traders with a consistent approach to identifying profitable market trends see a 45% increase in their win rate compared to those who trade on impulse. Equally important is understanding risk management, which ensures that losses are controlled and do not wipe out gains. This learning phase builds the mental and practical tools necessary for long-term success. The first trading challenge. Once the educational phase is complete, Trader B should have $100 left to start practical trading. From this, allocate $64 to 5,000 prop firm challenges, each costing $32, which leaves a balance of $46. Prop firm challenges are designed to test and fund traders who can prove their profitability under set conditions. According to 2024 data from Prop Capital Insights, more than 40% of funded traders were able to earn back their challenge fees within their first 2 months of trading. In these challenges, the goal is to maintain disciplined risk-taking, such as risking 1% of capital per trade to secure a 3% return. This approach helps minimize potential losses while aiming for high rewards. Passing these challenges lays the foundation for securing larger accounts and more significant growth. Rinse and repeat for growth. Once the first challenge is passed, the trader can use the $300 payout to start another round of trading challenges. This step-by-step method ensures that capital is reinvested efficiently to scale up the trading portfolio. Data from Trading Analytics 2024 shows that traders who follow a structured reinvestment strategy are more likely to increase their capital by 30% every 3 months compared to those who trade sporadically. In March, Trader B should repeat the initial strategy. Complete the challenge phases over 2 weeks, fund another $5,000 account, and execute 2 trades aimed at 3% gains each. The goal is not only to increase earnings, but also to build confidence and familiarity with the process. This iterative approach solidifies skills and ensures a steady increase in capital over time. Scaling up, moving to bigger challenges. By mid-April, after 2 successful cycles, Trader B should have accumulated around $346 in trading capital. This milestone allows the trader to take on larger challenges, such as a $50,000 prop firm challenge. According to ProTrader Data 2024, traders who scale up their accounts by reinvesting profits show a higher rate of sustained profitability, with an average return increase of 20% per month. Dedicate $200 from the accumulated capital to purchase the $50,000 challenge, while setting aside $100 as personal profit and keeping $46 for trading purposes. In the larger challenge, the same disciplined approach applies. Risk 1% to achieve 3% gains in the first phase and repeat for phase 2. With a $50,000 funded account, achieving a modest 5% return can result in a $2,500 payout, significantly boosting overall earnings and confidence. Transitioning to high capital accounts. As you gain momentum with successful $50,000 challenges, reinvest in even higher value challenges such as $100,000 accounts. In a report by Trading Economics 2023, traders who consistently increased their account sizes while maintaining their strategies were found to double their annual income within 12 months. By May and June, aim to pass 2 $100,000 challenges, focusing on achieving the 5% profit target for each. Each successful completion can yield payouts of around $5,000, leading to total earnings of $10,000 for that period. This progression builds a solid trading capital base and sets the stage for further scaling up, including pursuing $200,000 accounts. By the end of 2025's second quarter, committed traders can expect to reach at least $500,000 in funded trading accounts and $50,000 or more in total payouts. The importance of a proven edge. Having a proven trading edge is the single most important factor for consistent profitability. The 2024 Trading Edge Survey revealed that 78% of consistently profitable traders attribute their success to a clear strategy that gives them a market advantage. An edge allows you to make calculated decisions rather than emotional ones, resulting in fewer errors and more strategic trade execution. Without it, even a well-capitalized trader will face significant challenges. Market structure. Understanding the formation of higher highs and lower lows is a crucial aspect of a winning edge. For instance, identifying trend reversals and key price levels can mean the difference between a profitable trade and a substantial loss. By focusing on this, traders can refine their approach and make informed decisions that align with market conditions. Avoiding long losing streaks. Extended losing streaks can devastate a trader's confidence and account. Common causes include overconfidence and fear-driven decisions, as noted in a 2023 article by the Behavioral Economics Journal. Overconfidence or euphoria can lead traders to take unnecessary risks, while fear often results in avoiding trades or making ill-timed entries. Both scenarios contribute to losses that could have been prevented with proper psychological preparation. To combat long losing streaks, experts suggest taking a step back and pausing all trading activities. This allows traders to reset mentally and review their trading plan without the pressure of live trading. During this break, review market movements retrospectively to build a stronger understanding of how you would have executed trades. This process helps rebuild confidence and sets the stage for a fresh start. Thank you so much for sticking around until the end. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and share it with friends who might benefit from this strategy. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more future videos. Turn on that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy trading!